3D representation of an atomic model, and this is discovered by the Ford. The cells cannot be seen with naked eyes because it is the smallest unit of an ordinary matter. The different elements have different atoms, and the atom is made up by electrons, protons, and neutrons. And the 99% of mass is present in its nucleus.
This is second of motion. M1 and M2 is equal to frictionless fluid. When we fill this constant M2, when an applied force on M1, and when M2 is applied less force.
This process is used to make normal water into distilled water.
Magnetic crane, which works on the principle of how a copper coil converts into electromagnet after giving it charges by the battery. This is the copper coil which was wrapped about a needle, which makes it a magnet.
Magnetic crane.
Greenhouse environment in which flowers are kept, which are not able to stand at cold temperature. Nowadays we see in summers that the heat waves and increasing temperature of our earth and sun, this can affect our Indian farmers. By seeing this problem, I have created a model of a farming robot which can do the farm itself, and if it is upgraded, it can be used as a professional farming robot. I have added gear motor and increased the torque and some LEDs.
क्या उसका हाथ
It is basically demonstrating air pressure towards upper direction, and we pass little air through this front place volume again. It demonstrates air pressure to upper direction, which help balloon fly in the air. Another picture will show. मैं म्यूजिक को प्रैक्टिस कर
So when we rotate this handle, the another picture will show up. I have used decorative sheets and cardboard to rotate to give it a vintage look. And this was used in 1896 to 18. It was used in 1896 to use. It would gain children's attraction, and people would give money to see this.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself is Arpit Deswal. This is a stethoscope. This is a medical device that doctor used to listen internal sound of the body, such as the heartbeat, beating, and blood flow. The stethoscope was invented in 1919 by French physical artist Liens, who described the use of a performed wooden cylinder to transmit sound from the patient chest stethoscope to the
Strikes the bone to make the sound. Good morning, ma'am. I have made this working model of electric bell which works on the magnetic effect of electricity. In this, the main component is electromagnet. When the switch is on, the electric current begins to flow in the circuit, magnetizing the volt which excites the armature and makes the sound. And it disconnected. चलाओ डिफ्लेक्शन आएगा नीचे डिफ्लेक्शन आएगा
इसमें चार्ज चार्ज वायर से इसमें जाएगा और पेपर को
Good morning everyone, I am Jayesh Paliwal and this is a project of solar energy working. This is the panels of solar. This solar slit absorbs sunlight energy and convert light energy to electric energy. This is very abundant source energy on the earth. These panels can last up to 25 to 30 years and the energy can produce without direct sunlight also. Means it is not necessary that sunlight energy will produce only in angle. It can produce directly also. So our
In what way we can use this energy?
We use this energy to that we can save electricity because our
Like
solar.
lighting lamps,
Yes. See, this is the
cooking.
yes.
Can we use a solar heater using this energy?
Solar
heaters.
Yes, we can use.
Okay, good.
Our PM Narendra Modi also advising us to keep solar panels so that we can save the electricity.
Good.
My name is Aditya Kodari. Today I made a human digestive system.
Louder.
Sunlight energy
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aditya Kodari. Today I made a human digestive system. This is mouth.
can convert light energy.
This is esophagus. This is stomach.
This
This is
panels can
liver.
last up to 25
This
to
is
30.
pancreas.
And this energy
Pancreas.
can produce
Pancreas.
direct sunlight
This
also.
is small intestine. This is large
Light
intestine.
energy will
So-
produce in straight line. It can produce angle also. And our PM Narendra Modi also advising us to keep solar panels so that we
मैम
can
आपकी ड्रेस करनी
battery is charging. Full daytime the battery will charge and night time it can produce.
Very good.
Good morning, I am Satvik from class 7th A. Today I am discussing about my model open circuit and closed circuit. Open, first is open and closed. Open means incomplete, closed means complete. In an open circuit, current doesn't flow. In an open circuit, current doesn't flow. In closed circuit, currents flow freely. Light is glowing.
What are the components?
Components I use battery connector, wire, switch and light.
Very good.
Morning, ma'am. Myself Dev Batra from class 8A. I make a little robot like Doraemon. You know that a robot is a machine that can do multiple tasks. And it is generally used in factories to do multiple tasks. Some robots can speak, dance, and respond to humans.
Morning, ma'am. My topic is mechanism of breathing. It involves two stages of breathing, inhalation and exhalation. When we inhale and diaphragm moves down, it results in expandation of lungs. It like this. When we exhale and diaphragm moves up and relaxed, and this results in contraction of lungs. It like this way. It is a biological system for the purpose of exchange of gases. Thank you. This is a model of the human digestive system. Here 5 represents the alimentary canal and the colored water represents the food. So the journey of food starts from the buccal cavity and goes through the esophagus to the stomach. The gastric glands secrete gastric juice and hydrochloric acid and protein is absorbed. From there it moves on to the small intestine where secretions from the pancreas and liver are present and help in the digestion of starch and fats. From there the food moves on to the large intestine where the remaining water and nutrients are absorbed and the waste food is digested from there.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am. My model purifies water and it uses natural steps to purify the water. First step contains big stones, small stones, sand, coal, and cotton. When dirty water is passed through big stone, it stops the movement of small stone. Small stone stops the movement of gravels. Sand stops the movement of same particles like sand. Coal has some antibacterial and purifying properties which purifies the water. And cotton stops the many other contaminants to pass through water. And then this heat
Second.
Ma'am, my model is designed by convection current of air, and convection current of air has tendency to push or move gas or fluid particles from one place to another. I will hold this icing stick and the smoke from this chimney will come from this. Yeah, it is coming.
Not come.
Ma'am, can you give me the
concentration buzzer. This is concentration buzzer game. This is an interesting game that tests your concentration and focus. This is basically a circuit. It has a buzzer, a switch, and battery connector. This is a looper connected to the buzzer. So if I turn on the switch and the electric current will pass through this non-insulated wire, and if the looper will touch its wall, the buzzer will make sound.
Good morning, ma'am. It is the experimental system of our body. That during fasting, waste and toxic air of our body, it comes from there and go.
There क्या?
This is the type of motion. Motion is defined as change in an object over time. This is circulatory motion. This is called test. This is rotational motion. And this is a downward. This is periodic motion. And this is oscillatory motion. This is vibratory. Water purification. This is a water purification. This contains purified water naturally, and the first different layers are in this. First layer is stones. The second is pebbles. After and sand after water. It is used to contains purified and contains iron and minerals.
Morning, ma'am. This is anemometer. Anemometer is a tool that measure wind pressure and speed. Anemometer is important tool for meteorologists.
Good morning everyone, I am Sanvi Upadhyay from class 8A, and today I am going to present bacteriophage. Bacteriophages or phases are the viruses that attacks on bacteria, destroy and kill them. The bacteriophages are discovered in 20th century. Elie Mashnikov, the Russian scientist who discovered the bacteriophage as a phagocytes. Thank you.
This is a model of microscope. In this type of microscope, object can be magnified up to 1,000 times. Today, more than 50,000 kinds of objects have been identified and described by the help of microscope.
Louder. Good morning, myself Dia, and I have made lava lamp. So this is lava lamp. Here, as you can see, it is baking soda and oil, and I have vinegar with food color. So when I will pour this vinegar into this jar, so it will react with this baking soda and form bubbles. Carbon dioxide.
Morning everyone, it's a water dispenser. It dispenses water with the help of gravitational force. And when we open the cap, the water goes through the straw and comes out with the bubble.
How it will go up?
Pencil. Here, the tip of the pencil shows frictional force, and the fractomagnet shows attractive force, and the back-to-magnet shows repulsive force. It was invented by Roy M. Harrigan in 1983. The levitating pencil suspends a magnetic force to suspend the pencil in the air.
What are its applications?
Some of its applications are repulsive force, frictional force, magnetic force, and attractive.
Where we can use this?
It can be used in teaching concepts like magnetic attraction, force, and many more things. Good morning everyone. This model is made by both of us. This model is called Hydro Energy. This represents as a dam, and this is the turbine. When the water flows through this pipe, the turbine spins and generates an energy called kinetic energy and glows this LED bulb. This water can also be recycled and be used as a lube.
My name is Rashmi and this is my project Rainwater Harvest. Rainwater harvesting is also uses watering plants and irrigation.